Immerse yourself in the soothing comfort of a Laurel Mountain deep soaking bath. Our customizable luxury bathtubs are made using 100% virgin acrylic to provide optimal heat retention, scratch resistance, and durability, so every customer receives a tub built to last. Each bath can be outfitted with our optional deep soaking drain, adding approximately 2 inches to the tub's standard soaking depth. This added depth allows you to enjoy a truly serene experience and the benefits of warm water therapy. Whether you need to relieve achy joints or just relax after a stressful day, unwind with a deep soak to cleanse both body and mind. Choose our optional chromotherapy mood lighting system to transform your bath into a truly unique in-home spa. Learn more about deep soaking and browse hundreds of available bathtub models online at laurelmountainbath.com today.